So today I'm going to be explaining how energy is transferred in an ecosystem by using an energy pyramid. The energy pyramid that I've drawn up shows how much energy is being transferred between the four levels. Let's start at the base of the pyramid, the autotrophs or green plants. An example would be grass. They take in energy from sunlight and change it to sugar using a process called photosynthesis. This means that at the base of the pyramid, they have all of the energy in an ecosystem, and without them, the ecosystem would not survive. Now then, let's talk about the primary consumers. These are creatures such as bugs or rabbits. They are herbivores that eat the green plants and in return gain 10% of the green plant's energy. Right? And now for the secondary consumers, which eat the primary consumers. An example of a secondary consumer would be a frog that eats bugs or a snake that eats rabbits. They gain 10% of the energy the rabbit gained from the green plants. So 10% of 10% means they gain 1% of the total energy produced by the green plants. And now for the final section, or the highest section of the pyramid, the tertiary consumers. These are the animals at the highest section of the food chain in an ecosystem. An example of this would be a hawk that eats frogs or a fox that eats a snake. They gain 10% of the secondary consumers' gained energy. This means that they gain only 0.1% of the energy that the green plants originally had. Now, as you may have noticed, only 10% of the energy is actually taken by the organisms in each section. So you might be wondering what happens to the other 90%. Well, the other 90% is actually used up for metabolic processes such as brain function or organ function, and as well as respiration, which just means, to breathe. And with that, I conclude my video.